Alright, so our class for today is how to auto-generate certification with Google Form. Alright, there's three things we're going to have a look. First, we're going to learn just how to make a simple certification template with we're using Google Doc. And then we're going to create a simple certificate. So this one we generate from Google Form. After that, we're going to generate a certification based on scoring. Again, we are using Google Form, and then it based on scoring, we're going to auto create a certificate. Okay, the first one, we're going to try to create a simple template. Okay, so we are using Google Document. So from your Google Drive, we're going to create a new Google. This is how you create a Google form. So if you go to new, there's a go to bring your cursor to more, and then there's a Google form. So this is how Google Forms looks like. So I believe like most of you already tried it and knows how it goes. So second one, we're going to create Google document. Again, we from Drive, just go to new Google document, and this is our Google document. Alright, so now we're going to set up a simple template using Google document. Just for your information, you can also use Google Slide to set up your template. But here, in my case for today, I'm going to show you how to set up your certificate. We are using Google document. So yep, after so this one is I recommend for you to create a folder. Okay, here I'm creating a new folder. The reason why, because I'm creating the folder because all the template and also the certificate later on, I would like it to be in one places. So that's why I create a new folder because later on I want the certificate to be in one place. That's why I created new folder so to ensure that all the certificate will be in one organized folder. So again, from your drive, you just create a new folder and then you just rename it because again is to store all the certificate you generate later on. Okay, now we're going to start creating our template. So this is your normal Google Doc, empty one. Okay, empty Google Doc. So there's a few things that you need to consider when you're designing your template, your certificate template. So the first one, if you have any logo that you would like to use in your certificate, any logo, and then the color code because you don't want to use too much color in your template, in your certificate. And then typography, the font that you're going to use in your certificate, you need to consider that as well. And also tags. Tags is the one that we going to use later on. So this is like the things that we want to put in, the things that will be replaced by time to time. Okay. Later on, you will understand why it tags. I'm going to show you. So this is for my simple template today. So this is the concept, the design that we going to see. So logo. So this is my logo. So I already have my logo. I'm going to use Soul's logo. So as for the color, I have three color here. I have blue, I have yellow, and also black. So this is my color code that I want to use in my template. So for the typography, I'm using only two type of font. Okay, yang satu tu like the other one tu cantik lah, dia macam buku okay sikit. So the other one I'm using trebuchet supaya nanti jelas, supaya dia jelas dan clear. And then tags, tags ni lah yang benda boleh berubah-ubah. Sesuatu yang kita letak dalam certificate punya template tu nanti tag ni lah yang benda yang akan bertukar-tukar mengikut form yang telah diisi. So antara benda-benda yang boleh diubah untuk dalam kita punya penggunaan sertifikat tu nanti, full name, of course nama dia berbeza-beza untuk orang yang berbeza-beza. So full name kat situ kita guna tag sebab dia bertukar-tukar. And then I juga ada letak tarikh. Tak semestinya you kena ikut yang ni. Yang ni just this is just a example. So it's up to you. You come out with your template. Nanti yang ni pun boleh berubah. Apa-apa pun. Tapi asalkan benda ni yang you nak dia berubah-ubah. So untuk setiap orang nanti dia akan berbeza. So it will be different for each one of the certificate. So I also have course. So course tu nanti example dia like the one yang fill up the form boleh pilih what type of course yang dia tengah ikut. So nanti the certificate akan berubah mengikut course yang telah dipilih. And also serial number. So serial number tu of course dia akan berubah-ubah, dia akan unik untuk setiap seorang. So this is example of my certificate. Don't worry, nanti I akan tunjuk the full one. So simple je. I letak logo dia kat atas and then I tulis certificate of completion and then I have full name semua kat bawah tu. Okay, so this is my certificate template. Simple one. Alright, so I just show you the real certificate. Sekejap ya. Okay. So this is the folder. I ada buat folder e-cert. So nanti all the certificate will be in one places, which is in this folder lah, e-cert. So this is the template. So this is a serial number. So kat sini untuk tags you make sure you ada this symbol symbol of less than and then greater than. Mesti letak dua You letak dua. Lepas tu sini nama tag you apa. And then you kena tutup the tag again dengan greater than pun dua kali the symbol. The symbol ni is a must untuk letak before dua, you buat macam ni, and after you letak dua. Okay, you see kat bawah ni pun I buat macam tu juga. Less than dua kali dia punya symbol and then full name, this is the tag, and then untuk tutup tag tu again you letak greater than symbol dua kali juga, and then kat bawah ni pun ada, this is the course name. Again the less than punya symbol, greater than punya symbol. So tag tu konsep dia memang macam tu you kena ada symbol greater than and then less than, lepas tu nama tag you kat sini. It's a must. So nanti yang benda ni lah, keseluruhan ni nanti akan berubah-ubah mengikut orang yang isi form tersebut. I go check. Okay. So ini adalah template. You boleh come out with your own template. You tak payah buat apa-apa dulu. Masa step ni, for this step you only come out with the template and also semua benda yang boleh berubah, the text, you just letak macam ni. So apa nama tag tu? So for example here tag I serial. So make sure macam mana beza tag dengan normal word. Untuk tag you kena ada symbol less than, greater than. Make sure So again for example kat sini I nak add another tag, so you letak symbol less than dua kali and then kat sini tag you and then you mesti tutup tag you greater than. So macam tu lah you cipta tag untuk you punya template. So this template you can come out by yourself. So sini I cakap tadi I guna two type of font, which is trebuchet. So trebuchet je. And then kat sini je I nak dia cantik-cantik sikit, so I guna caveat punya font. Okay, caveat punya font supaya dia macam I nak dia melekuk-lekuk. So just in case you can also search for more font kat sini If the font yang kat sini yang tak ada, there's nothing that you like to use, okay, and then you can always search for more fonts from here. Okay, you can always search for more font dekat sini. Okay, and just click and then okay, so dia akan add to your font later on this side. So for the template is totally you is the one who control it. What color, how you want to design it. Okay, this is the one. Okay, wait. Template e-cert yang telah siap sedia. No. For Google Doc, there's none. You cannot. There's no existing template that you can work on. But if you are using Google Slide, it's the same concept. Yeah, you can also use Google Slide. Just create one pages of your template. You can also work with slide. Just create one pages, and then kat situ you boleh add on photos, logo and text. It work the same. It's either you want to use doc or also slide. Doable. Dua-dua pun boleh pakai. Alright. Okay. So this is the template. Now Now we going to have a look macam mana pula kita nak create dia punya Google Form. Wait up. Now we're going to create the form. Okay. Now we're done with the template. So now kita akan create a simple form. Simple form ni kita ambil sikit maklumat je lah. We just want to ambil dia punya whatever we ask tadi. Kita tanya dia punya full name, what is the course, and then the date. So only yang situ saja yang kita nak ambil. So how to create a form to isi all the text. So this is my simple form. So my simple form tanyalah apa-apa yang I nak tanya. So it asks about the email address, also full name, date and course. The reason why I tanya email address supaya nanti I boleh hantar balik the certificate. Okay. The reason why I ask for email address because it's better for me untuk hantar dekat orang tu the certificate. That's why I minta email address. Email address also here start full name, tarikh and course. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do here, you pergi dekat responses and create a new spreadsheet. The reason why kita akan create the certificate daripada spreadsheet. That's why kita nak buat spreadsheet. So from here, you click on responses from your Google form. You click on responses and then click dekat spreadsheet logo atas ni. So sekarang you dah dekat responses. Here, create spreadsheet. So you tekan on this, create spreadsheet. Okay, and then you choose create a new spreadsheet. So here, you can rename don't worry, you can rename. Tapi by default dia akan ni nama form. Lepas tu kat belakang ni dia akan letak responses. So here, just create a new spreadsheet and then you tekan create. So now this is the spreadsheet. So kita akan create, kita akan linkkan lah benda spreadsheet ni kepada Google document kita punya template tadi. So this is my spreadsheet. Okay. So untuk case ni dia tak ada built-in, therefore kita akan add on. Kita akan tambah add-ons untuk kita punya to make the certificate lah. Okay, so again from your spreadsheet yang you dah buat, yang you dah create daripada Google form you tadi, okay. This is the spreadsheet that you create from your Google form just now. Click on add-ons, get add-ons and search for Autocrat. Okay, search for Autocrat. So this is the add-on we're going to use, Autocrat. Okay, so you install Autocrat. After that, once you go to add-ons, dah ada Autocrat, you boleh start dah, you boleh buat dah, you boleh link dah you punya certificate, you punya Google spreadsheet ni dengan you punya template tadi. So now, kita akan linkkan. Pergi dekat add-ons, pergi dekat Autocrat and then open. Bila you tekan open, kita akan set up a new job. A new job. So inilah job dia, inilah kita akan linkkan dengan kita punya template tadi. So new job. Okay, so the first one dia akan tanya nama job kita. So job kita apa benda yang kita tengah buat ni lah, apa benda merge job ni. So sekarang for my case here, I just tulis simple certificate. The job ni you boleh bagi nama apa-apa je lah, is for you. Because for one spreadsheet dia boleh ada banyak macam-macam type of job So contoh you ada certificate berbeza warna, you pun boleh buat juga. So contohlah job 1 warna merah, you bagi dia nama warna merah, warna kuning. So nanti certificate tu ada banyak lah dalam satu spreadsheet pun boleh. You boleh linkkan dia dengan few template Dalam satu spreadsheet you boleh linkkan dia dalam banyak template. So sekarang kita bagi nama dulu. So sekarang nama untuk job ni I bagi dia simple certificates. So pergi tekan next. Okay, now dia akan tanya choose template. Okay. So sekarang kita akan pilih daripada template yang kita dah buat tadilah, which is our Google document. So tekan from drive. So search template tadi. So inilah template yang I dah come up with just now in the beginning yang kita buat Google document template. So tekan yang ni and then tekan select. Tekan select. Okay, so now dia akan bagi tahulah currently selected template. Ni nama template tu. Tadi I bagi nama template yang Google document tu template. So here the template and then click next. Okay, you dah pilih template, next. Okay, nombor 3, inilah dia di mana kita tadi buat tag semua. So ini adalah nama tag yang dia jumpa daripada template kita. So dia nampak tadi, dia jumpa dalam I punya template, ada serial, ada full name, ada course name. So sini nanti dekat ruangan ni akan keluar semua you punya tag yang you dah create dalam you punya template. And then dekat sini maps to column. So kat sinilah dia akan pilih daripada data belah mana yang you nak masukkan pergi template you. Sebab kat sini dekat form tadi I ada tanya full name dia. So ini soalan bahagian form dekat belah sini ialah soalan yang bahagian form yang akan keluar dekat spreadsheet. So sini soalan dia. So I tanya dia full name tadi and then if you tekan yang drop down button tu, so dia akan bagi you semua data daripada you punya spreadsheet. Okay. Timestamp tu memang ada lah by default, dia memang ada dekat situ. Okay, tadi I tanya dia email address, full name, date dengan course. So form I tanya ni je, email, full name, date dengan course. Okay, I punya form tanya 4 tu je. So I ada 4 jawapan lah. Okay, so sekarang for the serial, I letak dia timestamp dia. So I tekanlah timestamp semua. So I dah pilih semua. Full name, ambil daripada full name. Course name, ambil daripada course punya bahagian. And then date, ambil daripada date punya bahagian lah. Sebab tadi I ada tanya juga date dekat kita punya form. So once you dah mapping semua, dah cantik dia punya tag dengan daripada data tu, now you can pergi next. Okay, now you just go to next. And now here is the file setting. Okay, ini macam mana kita nak bagi output set tu. Output set. So file name ni you bagi nama untuk yang dia dah certificate yang dia dah generate tu lah. Nama untuk certificate yang dia dah generate. Okay, yang dia dah generate nanti macam mana, apa nama dia. Okay, ni file name. Yang bahagian bawah tu nanti dia akan tanya type. So type tu ada 2 je, Google document dengan PDF. So nanti yang dia dah generate certificate tu, you nak dia dalam bentuk apa? You nak dia dalam Google Doc ataupun PDF. Hanya ada 2 type Google Doc dengan PDF. Okay, output as dia ada 2. multiple output mode. So setiap satu baris, setiap kali seorang isi, so dia akan generate satu PDF. So ada orang kedua isi, so dia akan generate PDF kedua. Ada orang ketiga fill up the form, so dia akan generate satu file PDF yang ketiga, lain-lain. Kalau you pergi dengan single output mode, so setiap kali you run your Autocrat, so dia akan compile semua tu jadi satu file yang sama. So normally kita akan pergi dengan multiple output mode lah sebab dia akan generate setiap seorang satu PDF. Okay. So now you dah pilih semua ni. So for example here I punya file name. So kat sini pun you boleh guna tag kan. So I letaklah tag full name cert. So nanti contoh kalau I yang isi so dia akan jadi Katie cert. Kalau Ali yang isi dia akan jadi Ali cert, dia punya nama of file. So sebab tu I letak tag dekat situ. So sini file name pun you boleh guna tag juga. Again type ada dua je, either Google Doc or PDF. So here I guna PDF and then you tekan next. Okay, so inilah dia destination folder. Sebab itulah tadi mula-mula I create satu folder sebab I nak semua certificate yang dia generate disimpan dalam satu folder supaya dia tak pergi sana sini lah. Okay, and then you just choose folder. Lepas tu you pilih lah folder apa. So here tadi folder e-cert. So I tekan ni select. So dia akan tulis sinilah e-cert. So semua certificate yang dia generate dia akan pergi ke e-cert. So and then just tekan next. Okay, and then dynamic folders ni terpulang kepada you, but normally I tak buat lah sebab memang satu je, tak payah I nak letak dia folder. Okay, then next. And then yang ni kalau you punya let's say you punya merge condition tu complicated, you can go lah, ada syarat dia untuk dia merge. Contoh again you ada cost yang banyak. Kalau contoh condition you nama dia yang sama, so nanti bila nama dia yang sama, so dia akan generate jadi satu lah. So yang ni pun condition you pun boleh berbagai-bagai condition. So kalau you create satu certificate yang complicated, you can just you can go with this. Sebab contoh kalau you ada syarat-syarat tertentu untuk certificate you. Okay, now just go next. Okay, so yang ni again remember I ada minta dia email address kan. So I nak nanti dia automatic hantar dekat orang tu lepas dia fill up the form. So lepas dia fill up the form, dia akan automatically hantar the e-cert to the person yang fill up the form. Okay, so ni nombor 8, kita nak share dia. So share document, yes, I want to share the document. So tekan yes. Okay, lepas tu dia akan adalah syarat-syarat dia akan tanya semua tu. Lepas tu again share document as ada dua Google Doc, PDF. So I nak PDF je lah. So share document, PDF, yes. Dan lepas tu okay, you just go here, bila you turun bawah sikit, so sinilah nanti remember I minta email address kan. So dekat tu ni punya tag dia akan tag I email address. Okay, tu I punya tag email address. So nanti dia akan automatically hantar yang the certificate yang dia generate kepada orang yang jawab form I tadi. So CC BCC ni up to you, you boleh set you punya ke contoh CC tu you letak you punya email address. So every time dia hantar you akan dapat sekali notification tu. So sini subject of the email address. So kat sini you nak letak message, again sini pun dia allow text. Tag yang you dah cipta, kalau you nak letak pun you boleh guna juga. Okay, for my case here, So again, remember I cakap I ada minta email address orang yang buat I punya form tadi. So to email address lah. I punya tag sini email address. Title dia I letak course name, lepas tu dengan certificate. Contoh course A, certificate. And then thank you for joining. Again, tag sentiasa you boleh guna So thank you for joining sebab ada macam pilihan course tadi on the tarikh. Lepas tu you just tekan next. Okay. So sinilah bila kalau you nak now kita akan run the job. So run the trigger, tekan yes. Okay. So ada dua jenis tadi, run on from trigger ataupun time. So yang ni automatically daripada yang atas ni daripada setiap submission dia akan automatically run. Dia akan automatic lah. So tapi kalau you pilih run on time, so means yang ni setiap kali ada orang isi form, so dia akan terus automatically buat certificate for that person. Kalau you pilih run on time, so dia ada pelbagai pilihan lah. So yang ni contoh dia akan check setiap 1 jam, 2 jam dan seterusnya lah. So certificate tu hanya akan dibuat dalam masa yang you dah set lah. Kalau yang ni setiap kali ada orang submit, so dia akan run. Okay. So just enable, so tekan run. So dia akan tanyalah you must enable supaya project ni bergerak. So you just tekan yes. And then you just tekan save. Lepas you tekan save, so dekat sinilah kita akan run the job. So here, so CD Autocrat punya setup you dah siap semua. So sekarang you akan run job. So tekan play. So dia akan cakap lah running job. So here, I guna email I juga tadi untuk fill up the form. So remember, kat sini tadi tag I email address. So bila I dah letak email address I, automatic lah dia hantar ke sini. So thank you for joining. Kat sini tadi I tulis course punya tag. So yang ni course A, so dia tulislah course A. Ini dia tulis tarikh. So tadi I remember tag kat sini tarikh. So now dia automatically berubah. So serial number I punya template tadi serial, dia ambil timestamp. So kat sini dia ambil full name. Kat sini course yang dia pilih. And then dekat sini ialah date. So now I akan demo lagi sekali. Yeah. Okay, this is my simple form. Okay, so simple form I tanya email address, I tanya full name, I tanya date and then course. Ada A, B, C, D, E. Now kita akan isikan form ni. Just put in my email address. Soalan terpulang kepada you you kena buat dia berkaitan dengan you punya template yang you dah buat tadi lah. Just say 20. I go with C lah. So I isi email address, full name, date, course, submit. Okay. And then if you tengok dekat sini I dah linkkan ni I punya spreadsheet. Okay. Dia lambat sikit sebab dia tengah generate I punya certificate. So dia remember I set dia yang automatic. So setiap kali ada orang tulis the cert, dia akan automatic. So now if I go So kiranya yang ni I dah generate certificate lah. I tak buat apa-apa pun. So now let's go back. Here. So dia automatic hantar dekat I punya email tadi. So sini timestamp. Nama. Oops, yang ni tadi sorry cert tadi I tak buang. So yang ni nama course dengan tarikh. So I tunjuk lagi sekali, the template looks like this. Okay, ni adalah template dia. So I buang ni. So ni adalah template dia, dia ubah apa tag yang you bagi tadi. 1, 2, 3, 4. So benda ni yang berubah-ubah yang you buat kan. So macam mana you nak buat, again Autocrat tadi. So now I dah ada Autocrat I. So I just edit yang ni supaya senang I nak tunjuk. So job name ni is up to you supaya sebab maybe satu spreadsheet boleh ada pelbagai cert. Contoh you nak buat colourful merah biru. So dia lain-lain cert you boleh buat. Okay, simple certificate and then next kat sini you punya template. So template I guna template yang I buat kat sini, Google Doc template. So sini you source dia. So sini dia akan cari daripada template you. So template I ada guna tag serial, full name, course name dengan date. So kat sini you akan linkkan lah daripada mana dia nak dapatkan serial ni, daripada mana dia nak dapatkan full name semua, course name dengan tarikh, and then you go next. So kat sini file name. So remember file name tu full name search. So bila I dapat So bila I dapat nanti I punya PDF file tu dia akan tulislah Catcat cert. And then kat sini type ada dua, Google Doc dengan PDF. So sini folder you. So kalau ada dynamic folder, so normally 6 dengan 7 I tak buat apa-apa. Memang next. And then yang nombor 8 ni, you kena pilih yes. And then you key in lah email address penerima. And then course apa, nama certificate, course dengan tarikh. And then go next. Run, you sama ada pilih yang ni automatic. Tiap kali ada row baru, dia akan automatic run. Kalau you pilih yang ni, you boleh set masa. So contoh setiap 1 jam barulah dia run pun boleh kalau you nak buat. And then you just tekan save. And then lepas tu you just tekan run job. Sekali je you buat run job tu for the first time run je baru you tekan run job. And then that's it. Your certificate akan siap macam ni. Lepas tu bila you check dekat you punya folder yang you link tadi, you akan nampak lah. So I ada 2. So yang ni tadi I baru isi dengan yang hari tu punya. Okay, so dia akan disimpan dalam satu dan orang yang fill up the form tadi pun terima email juga yang dia punya certificate. Okay, buat masa ni ada apa-apa soalan? Let me just go to the comment. Okay, yang ni ada. Okay. Can we make cert from the spreadsheet? Okay. Boleh kalau dah memang spreadsheet tu memang dah ada. Sekejap. Spreadsheet tu memang dah ada, you just boleh buat je. Show the time kejap Yes, if you, okay I go back. Yang spreadsheet tu kalau you tak guna Google Form, boleh juga sebab dia kan dia ambil yang sorry. Dia ambil yang ni. Yang data ni yang dia ambil, yang kat atas ni. Yes, if you are using straight daripada spreadsheet, just make sure you rename yang ni properly lah. yang kat atas ni you make sure that you freeze also the first row Yang ni you kena freeze. Lepas tu yang ni you bagi nama dia elok-elok, then you can use straight and without using Google Form. Yes, it's safe because memang simpan kat situ je. Tak ada mana-mana. Yes, you can use Autocrat sebab dia akan you yang ada semua data tu. So sama ada you nak share ke tak nak share je. By default you tak share lah, it's only for you. So you boleh share semua information ni ataupun you keep it to yourself. Serial number, okay. Can we not show timestamp? By default timestamp sebab I guna Google Form Kalau if you are using Google Form, if you are opening your spreadsheet, memang the A1 punya cell it's the timestamp. Kalau you tak nak, you just hide lah. Kalau betul-betul mengganggu you can hide it, but memang timestamp tu memang sentiasa ada. Kalau you guna Google Form, memang dia simpan untuk bagi tahu you pukul berapa dia terima the form. Serial number is auto. Nope, serial number is not auto. Sebab just now I'm taking the serial number from the timestamp. So kalau again sebab you boleh ambil the file direct daripada you punya spreadsheet. So the other way you can do, you create your own serial punya column. So you just key in lah. So macam tu. So you kena buat manually. The serial is not auto. Kalau if you wish to do this, it's not auto. If you wish to do this, it's not auto. Yeah, it's not auto. If you wish to do this, kalau you ambil timestamp dia automatic lah. If this one is not automatic, it's manual. Capital letter have any effect on the tag? Nope. Capital letter doesn't have effect on the tag. So memang matter for them to key in small letter or capital letter. So it's up to them. They are the one who decided either this thing will appear capital letter or small letter. We cannot set that one. Okay, we cannot set up capital letter, small letter. Okay, so now I'm going to move to the next one. Okay, this one is a bit more complicated than before because the previous one is just a normal certificate. They fill up the form, they will get it. But this time, for this one, this is more like an exam. For example, this is more like an exam. If only they pass, they can receive the certificate. If they're not passed, it doesn't meet the requirement, they will not get the certificate. So how can we auto-generate certificate based on scoring? Okay, so here I already create a form, exam form. So I'm asking, okay, I asking for email, full name, date, and course. So the next add-on is Certify'em. Certify'em. So this one is the one that we going to use, Certify'em. Okay, this is the add-ons. So you install this Certify'em. So Certify'em is from short dem. So you using this one, install, and then okay, this one is direct from your form. Just now we are using spreadsheet, but this one Certify'em, you just direct add-ons from your Google form. Before that, kindly ensure that your question here is a quizzes. Make sure that your form is a quizzes type, okay? Because you need scoring. You need the score. Now, turn on the Certify'em add-on. So once you click it, show Certify'em control. So this thing will come up. Okay, now you need to turn on this. Okay, because you turned off so it didn't work. So you need to turn it on to make it work. Just click on turn on. Okay, so you will notice now it says this form is automatically collecting email address. So this one you can remove. Can you remove this email address part? Yeah, because it's already automatically requested for email address, so you don't have to ask again. So only if you wish to. But by default, once you click turn on, it will automatically collecting email address. So in other words, the user who wish to fill up the exam form, they need to log in into their Gmail account, else they cannot use it. So now you can remove this email address part. Okay. So as the one who created the form, once you turn on the Certify'em, once you turn it on here, the status is on, you will receive an email address that notify you that your turn on for your exam. So this is the title. So the title of my form just now, exam. So they will notify you, certification is now turned on for your exam. So this is the name of your form. So my form name is exam. So they will inform you. So they have a ready template. For this case, you don't have to come up with your own template. But if you wish to, please go ahead. But Certify'em already have a few template ready for you. They already have a few template ready for you. But your job is to ensure that you meet the requirement. So you mean like you have this tag us in your form. So you have full name, other identifiers, title, date, percent. Okay. So certificate ID, you don't have to do anything about it. This is will automatically created. What you need to concern is the full name, identifier, the title, the date. Okay. Sorry, the percentage you don't have to care as well because it's automatically calculate. So here example, I have answer all my exam question, and then I got 5 above 5, which is 100. So as someone who fill up everything, so you will receive an email. So your certificate is here for, this is your exam name. So just now my exam name is exam. So it will say congrats, you pass. So this is your certificate. It will give me that. So this is my certificate. Again, the date, the score. This one will be automatic. Okay. Has completed. This is your form name. So what courses am I filling up? And then this is my full name. If you fail, if the student fail, didn't meet the requirement, because you can set the requirement, they will not get the certificate. So now let me demo that. So okay. So now this is my exam. Kindly ensure the very first thing, if you want to use it, you already turn on the quizzes. You by default this thing is disabled, yeah. So kindly go to your setting and make sure that you are creating a quizzes. So enable, make this a quiz, enable it. Once you enable, save. Remember to save, yeah. Save. Okay. Now you set up the question that gather mark. For example, here. So this one have a mark. So this one is doesn't mean anything. So I don't put any mark on it. I don't put any mark for this one because there's no right and wrong answer for full name and courses. So that's why I didn't key in the answer key. I didn't key in anything. So only for the question that I set up the point. Okay, you must set up the point for the question. Alright, now get add-on, sorry. You must add-ons, Certify'em. Okay, just it's down a bit. Okay, Certify'em, you install it. Now you run it. Certify'em. Wait, sometimes it takes sometimes to load, but don't worry. Give it up. Let me refresh. Okay. Okay. Now click on Show Certify'em Control. Okay. So if you run it for the first time, this thing is off. So you turn it on. So here is the passing mark. So you can control 10. If you think 10% is enough, you just put 10%. So even though the student only get 10%, that student can still get the certificate. So for my case, I put 80. So only if that person have managed to do it and get it 80% or percentage after answering the question, this person will only receive the certificate. So here they already have a ready template. Okay, if you have your custom template, you can go here. If you have they have ready template. So let me just show you, preview all. So this is the template that they have. Okay. All right. This is ready template that you can use. This is the ready template that you can use. Okay. So you don't have to do much about this. You just need to consider the passing mark. Okay, now let me show you. Let's say if that student fail, that student will not receive any email. That student will not get any email. If that's just now I set the passing mark 80, right? So if that person of didn't manage to get 80%, that student will not get the certificate. Just course D 2 1 2 1 true. Submit. Okay, thank you for your submission. This is like student, yep. Okay, now wait. So if you view the student can view the score, so I got 5 above 5. Let me just change the windows. So I will get an email address. Sorry, I got a new email. Your certificate is here for exam. Again, exam is the name of my form. So congrats, you pass. This email automatically sent. Again, if only this person reached the condition that you set, the passing mark, only this person will get the certificate. Else, this person will not get any certificate. So this one is just if you open up the spreadsheet, again, the certificate ID will be automatically, so you don't have to do anything. So if that person total score 0, so means the percentage score is 0. So pass, no, because I set the condition to be 80%. So no certificate will be sent to this person. Okay, only that person have reached the percentage score of 80 will get the certificate. And then the certificate ID will be created. So if that person doesn't meet the condition, no certificate ID will be created because no certificate will be created to this person. Okay, any question? Let me just go back here. Wait, does capital letter? I already answered that. Serial, no need. Yeah, if you don't want to use serial number, yes, you don't have to put in. It's up to you. You are the one who created the template. Masa kita buat Google Form quizzes, macam mana kita pergi add-on Certify'em. So you must add on. Oopsie. Exam. So dia memang ada add-on. So remember you get add-on from here. Look for Certify'em, install it, and then run it. So Certify'em. So lepas you dah install, benda tu memang ada kat add-ons you kat sini, Certify'em. The thing is it's take sometimes to open up. Sebab I dah tutup tadi. So you just go here, you pergi Certify'em, you just show Certify'em control. That's it. Lepas tu you turn on the Certify'em punya, you turn on the status ya. Because by default it's off. So you must turn on the status here, right here. And then you can already use it. You turn it on, then you can already use your exam lah. Okay. Memang perlu letak email address ke dapat download? Okay, yang email address is this Francesca. For which one? Is it for the Certify'em or for Autocrat? If Autocrat, kalau you tak ambil dia punya email address, you nak hantar dia manually, boleh. Tapi for Certify'em, dia memang akan ambil, dia akan automatically collect email. Dia memang setting dia macam tu. Dia akan cakap macam ni, this form is automatically collecting email address. Okay. Kalau you turn on Certify'em, dia memang automatically collecting. Sebab memang konsep dia, if you pass, I akan hantar you cert. Sebab tu dia macam tu. Dia memang konsep dia macam tu. So dia akan, if you meet the requirement, then only you will get the certificate. So kalau you nak buat, sekejap, ke dapat download cert? Perlu letak kalau you tak nak letak email address, you boleh pergi dekat Autocrat lah. So you boleh hantar manually sorang-sorang. Kalau you nak Autocrat nanti, yang email yang step nombor 8 you, yang dia cakap share this document, you tak payah share. So means nanti tak ada siapa dapat certificate tu melainkan you yang hantar. So you can go to that option. Okay, any other question that I can help you with? So add-on dia, I guna Autocrat. Yang ni untuk Spreadsheet. And also I'm using Certify'em. This one is for Google Form. Okay, with Certify'em, it will auto-generate certificate ID. Yes, automatic yang certificate ID. For Autocrat, there's no certificate ID unless edit manually. Yes, correct, Chin Irene. Yep, that's the case. Okay, any other question? Everything's okay, yeah? So, yeah, you can use this too if you want to auto-generate your certificate. Okay, alright, if there is no other question, so I believe all of you knows about.
Sorry, saya boleh tanya kan?
Yes.
Sorry tadi untuk Autocrat itu kan, masa kita bagi job link lah.
Hmm?
Itu kita boleh bagi sesuka hati ke atau macam mana? Sebab tadi Miss ada kata kan, kadang-kadang kita nak bagi lain-lain yang lain-lain colorful. Saya kurang faham tentang ini. Maksudnya job link itu maksudnya kita beri sesuka hati untuk yang isu kita yang nak view itu lah.
Oh, okay. Sure. So yang Autocrat, so you can create a certificate based on job. So for example, if you are using again, Autocrat doesn't need form. Autocrat doesn't need form. That's why they allow you to create multiple job in one spreadsheet. Because sometimes you punya requirement for certain job is different even though you're using the same spreadsheet. For example, let's say you have colorful certificate. One is red color, one is blue color. And if you are using one spreadsheet, so in one spreadsheet tu ada person from class 5 Baduri, 5 Muni. So 5 Baduri student will get a red certificate. So you create one job for that 5 Muni classes, and then you create another job for 5 Baiduri classes. So in one spreadsheet, you can have multiple job, multiple type of job. It depends on your condition.
Oh, maksudnya kalau saya masukkan semua data itu dalam satu spreadsheet kan, jadi saya kena, masa saya buat saya kena sort sendiri lah, kena asingkan lah.
Asingkan. Oh no, okay. If you notice that's when dekat bahagian tag tu you can play around. Remember you are the one who create the template, you are the one who link the template. So when you link it, I will suggest when you link it, so you link it to different one. So you can play around with that. For example, course A, course B. So course A color ni, course B color ni pun boleh.
Maksudnya masa dalam step yang merge condition itu
Yeah.
Saya pilih lah, maksudnya masa itulah.
Yes.
Okay. Lepas tu kan saya kurang faham tentang tadi Miss kata kita boleh print satu-satu saja kan, katakanlah kalau PDF atau saya combinekan semua dalam satu. What is the meaning?
So it's when I said output as satu yang single, so when said I have my own categorized certificate and then Ali certificate. So when I go to multiple certificate, so it's only categorized and also Ali certificate will be in one file. One file with multiple pages.
Multiple pages
Combined. So if I go with single one, so it is only single PDF for one person. Single PDF for one person.
Understand. Okay. Thanks. Thank you.
Alright. Okay.